Mr. Gifford his power of attorney, and he has trespassed both from the property. I asked him about your mother. I said, where is Mom right now? And he said that she is in a facility in North Carolina. She's under 24-hour care by doctors and nurses, and she is fine.
So they have
That's all
taken
she
her
would give
across state line.
And you heard her own testimony on the phone giving me power of attorney, and you could say you don't know who that is or what's going on. I appreciate that, but the fact is, I'm not the guy sitting here lying to cops. I don't do that. You don't play that game.
There's nothing that they're not lying to us. They provided us paperwork.
Have we not? Have we
We
seen?
don't know
that
where.
is signed by a notary.
Well, where's
I still have
where's
a
his
missing
copy?
persons. I'm sitting here right here. You know, no. All right. So. We've involved Adult Protective Services. You might want to just read the highlighted if you want. It's the code. Liability for refusal to accept acknowledged power of attorney. It's the section 64.2.16.18. And a person is not required to accept an acknowledged power of attorney for a transaction if, under number 3, the person has actual knowledge of the termination of the agent's authority or of the power of attorney before the exercise of the power. And under number 6, if the person makes or has actual knowledge that another person has made a report to the local Adult Protective Services Department or Adult Protective Services hotline stating a good faith belief that the principal may be subject to physical or financial abuse, neglect, exploitation, or abandonment by the agent or a person acting for or with the agent. You need to do something to help this woman, Deborah Pritchard, my mother, identify where she's located. She's been taken out of state against her wishes.
Yes.
I've got a clear testimony from her that's on file with me, and it's been publicly noticed and duly authorized through under penalty of perjury, certified by law. It doesn't have to be notarized. Certification, no. And you're 100% incorrect about
Mr.
that.
Studer.
You're blowing me away with that.
Ma'am,
I'm
may
waiting
I
for
ask
the
your name
state
again?
trooper to show up.
Julie.
We're waiting for
Your
a
last
state
name Studer
trooper
as
to
well?
show up.
Yes.
Okay.
We're waiting for the state
I'm
trooper.
gonna have to ask you guys politely to leave.
But we're waiting for a state trooper to show up to
Okay.
command the scene.
I'm gonna have to ask you guys politely.
Dispatch,
to
we
leave.
already called dispatch.
I understand. They told me, but I'm gonna have to ask you guys politely to leave. If you want
Well,
to talk to a state
he
trooper,
can't.
you can do it.
He can't because you're all.
From off the boundaries of this property. You have been trespassed from here by the power of attorney. It's time to leave.
As I also have personal stuff of my own
Julie,
here on this
whatever you
property.
do, don't you get yourself arrested.
Nobody's going to get arrested, sir.
Yeah.
We're
It's
just
just-
asking you politely.
We're asking you
As soon
politely
as
to
he
leave.
moves his vehicle, you can back out, and then
And then what?
My battery
Then you
power's
leave?
going down.
yep,
You go away.
and then you can talk to a trooper. You can go speak to a magistrate. You can go speak to a judge tomorrow.
You're right here. You need to ask them.
So,
This is
unfortunately,
really bad
there's-
situation, guys.
There's
'cause
civil
you're
binding paperwork that we cannot get in the middle of. Okay,
You've got
signed, documented paperwork. It's notarized, signed by your mother.
really.
That Gifford is the power
Really?
of attorney.
Really? I'd like to see that. Do you know her signature?
No, I don't, sir.
There
But the-
you go.
But
But the
I'm not
notary
She
that
doesn't
witnessed it
remember
does.
signing it,
But the notary that witnessed it
and
does.
she didn't. Okay. Well, one of these people could be a notary. There's lots of notaries that float those things. You know.
That's true.
All we have is a document stating that there is
Well,
a notary
where is
signed
that
by
document?
Your mother.
Doesn't mean
Where is
anything.
that
I've
document?
laid eyes on it
Facsimile or
myself.
original?
Well,
I've
where,
seen it.
why
Is it
why
original
are
or
we not
facsimile?
provided?
That is beside the point.
No, we need to have.
You guys have to leave.
We have to have a copy of that.
You guys have to leave.
We
I don't
need-
have to give you their paperwork.
Why not?
That is up to you guys to get through
That's what
civil
we're
court, not
requesting.
from us.
Well, asking the officers.
That is not our job. I need you guys to please get off the property, please.
I'm going to ask you again, where's my
Can you try
mom?
it on your phone?